sunnies. So this is the start of a video, right, where I can't say a barn find because it's not in a barn and it's not a find, but it's been parked up for 6-7 years maybe. What it is my mother's van. So she had a Hi-Jet. Well, she still got a Hi-Jet. It's still there. Hunter's gonna help me today because he's off school for the 6 weeks. Not 6 weeks, for 2 weeks. I don't know what he's staring at because he's just
10 weeks.
10 weeks, yeah. So we're gonna go and pick up this van now. I'm honestly not sure of the condition of it. Being a Hi-Jet is probably full of rust. So yeah, we're gonna go and collect it, take it up to the unit and find out what it needs and put the build up on here, obviously. So it's a Scooby-Doo van. I painted it with a roller. Well, me and my mother painted it with a roller about 10 years ago. She absolutely loves the van, so I'm gonna kind of surprise her with it because she thinks it's just being parked there, rotting away and never gonna get done. So this is gonna be a surprise for her. Yeah, I think it might need a full respray because it was painted gloss with a roller. It's cracked paint and everything on it and stuff, and it's not the best condition. It does have rust on the door, I seen that earlier, but I haven't looked around it because it's full of trees. So yeah, we're gonna go and collect that now, and I'll have a little walk around with you in a minute. So there she is, as you see, all covered in trees and flaky paint and stuff. She was painted with a roller before anyway. It might be quite easy to get off, to be fair. But yeah, my mother loves this van, so I'm gonna redo it for her, I think. Let's try and dig it out first. And there's flat tyres and stuff. That's the rust I was on about round the window. But it's a good job that I'm aware. Oh, yeah, that bit's a bit ripe. So yeah, as you see, it's the Scooby-Doo van. So we will try. My mother's a bit wilder than me, I think. I think this is where I get my nutsness from. Although I don't do this to my dashboard. So yeah. So we're going to try and dig this out now. Get it on the back of the truck and have a look how bad it is. Because the engine and stuff is under here, but I can't remember how to get it up, I'll be honest with you. It's about there. It's been a while. Let's see some big spiders under here. So yeah, have a little look of what this needs. Get her back to her former glory and get a smile on my mom's face. So I managed to get it on, and that was an absolute mission. So first of all, my batteries died in that one. Then they died in that one. So I had to literally jump start the batteries with my head torch ones to try and make it work. And then when I got to the unit, as I was reversing backwards, my clutch popped off, as they do, like. So yeah, so that's buggered. So as you can hear in the background, I got the jet wash going. It's not looking good, I'll be honest with you. So I got the needle shooter pointed on there, right, and it's literally just blowing it apart. So I'm gonna see now if you can see it with the jet wash on it. Ready? Yeah. I can just hold it a bit there. literally blown it apart. There goes the sills. Well, at least I don't have to take the paint off. This will do it for me. So this is not looking good. I'm going to carry on jet washing it and I'll speak to you in a bit. Right, so now it's a bit more quieter without that thing running. I've covered it all now in G101, hoping that majority will come off. But I got a feeling majority of the paint's going to come off. But we'll soon see. So yeah, it was not looking too good rust-wise. Literally the jet wash was blowing all the sill off and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to give it a clean. And then, well, you can see before and after. We'll have a look now what it looks like after a nice good jet wash all over there. This side completely gone. I'm going to put you up that way a minute because, yeah, I can't reach. And that side's completely gone. But once it's on the ramp, then I'll be able to see what's what. So this part of the thing is gone. I didn't even see that. So, yeah, that all needs to be new. Obviously I need to make this safe because my mommy's going in it. These cross members are gone. So we will see when it's on the ramp of how bad it actually is. But I'm going to give it a good clean first. And say it'll probably end up turning back silver. We'll soon see. So it looks a bit more black than it was. Paint has a lot come off. But no word of a liar, it is God's honest truth. I just connected a booster pack up to it. And as you can hear, it's running. It took a few attempts to turn over, I will not lie. But I can't believe it's actually running. But you can smell how old the petrol is, man. It stinks, it's burning my eyes. But yeah, so I'm going to get it up in the air. Look at that. Get up in the air and have a look how bad she is. Can't open the back door. I don't know why, but it's stuck closed. 54,000 miles. And considering I've been started for like 6 years, it sounds sweeter than that. I'm sure it's maybe even more than 6 years, I don't know. I should have probably checked the timing belt and stuff first, but I didn't. I literally just put a booster pack on it and started it. I didn't check the oil. Perhaps I should do that. Not while it's running, not. Because I didn't come out. Sounds sweet. She's done some mileage. My mother done some mileage of this. She used to love it. She'd drive it everywhere. Should I do a burnout? Do you reckon it'll do a burnout? And if the clutch actually works, I don't know. I don't know. Oh well. Gears don't work. Wait a bit. They're seized. It's a clutch. Yep, clutch works. You can hear all the rust in the clutch. So I can do a burnout or what? The axle nearly fell off. I'm surprised the brakes actually work as well. The lights work. She's covered every fucking button in here and you can't see where shit is. I don't know what that is. What's that? I can hear something. Right. She's literally covered every single fucking button with dip and dop and dash. Yeah, well, I've seen brighter candles, but they work. I'm gonna go for a drive. Oh, I don't know if that door's gonna fall off. This is so funny. Oh, the flash on my camera is brighter than the headlights, but I mean, I have to turn this off and I can't see. Right, there's the headlights. There's the full beam. Indicators work. Wow, those headlights are amazing. I've literally seen brighter candles. Oh, it doesn't want to do a donut. This is quite funny. It's so puny. Right, yeah. Before I break it, I will put it back on the ramp so I can have a look underneath to see if it's worth fixing or turning into a gamble. Because I can use the axle, couldn't I? I don't know whether just to tell her it doesn't work. Uh-oh. Yeah, I stalled. And yeah, the battery, the booster pack must be disconnected. Right, then, my idiotic fault for driving like a twat. Right. Minda. She's a... Right, get in there. I won't go in reverse. There you go. It does reverse burnouts. Right, you can't see it. Yeah, you can't see it. I'm going so slow as I can't see the other mirror. It's at a funny angle. So now it's on the ramp. I will look underneath it and let her know if it's worth fixing. Right then, before any welding commences, that is the first... Wait, there's the light. I won't let me because my battery's too low. That's the first issue I found. That is petroleum. And that smells horrible. So at the minute I'm just going to use blue tack. It's not blue tack, it's that stuff you mix together. And then it goes smelly. I doubt it'll stick to it because it's full of petroleum. But if I can get it in the hole, because I should have gone for a wee first, so I'm hoping that will stop it leaking in a minute. Anyway, just press it in the hole. That is one thing I'll have to fix before any welding commences, because petroleum and sparks do cause fire. And I've had 2 fires so far. I don't want another one. Look at that. Fixed. So, while I'm just letting that cure a minute, I'm not going to go for a wee minute, I'm just going to have a little quick look while I've got my torch on. So it needs inner and outer sills. Most definitely. Look at that turning. Look at that. Look how cute it is, look how small it is. Right. It needs... I'm not gonna lie, it's not actually that bad. I don't think. So I start getting my needle shooter on it anyway, what now? So the inner arches are gone by there, look. I can't show you better because my battery's dead on my phone. I'm dying on my phone. Like I said, until I get my needle shooter on it, I can't really tell massively. But it is holes. There's holes on holes. But the chassis looks sound. Like, ooh, that big spreader. Dead, but as a spreader. Whoa, look at the shape of the exhaust. So it comes out there, into a cat, into a round, into a box, and then out the back. So that's not, like, the chassis is not too bad. Obviously it needs inner and outer sills and inner arches and outer arches. Should we make it have a wide arch kit on it or what? It needs inner arch tub there. Is that a door runner? Oh, the slug! Slug? I'll be honest with you, it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. So it needs inner there. Inner and outer sills, 100%. 100%. They're dead, they are. Oh. Yeah, they're dead. The chassis seems pretty fine. Like, that is pretty solid. I was looking at that thing a bit earlier. What even is that? So that's just like brace. And I got a nice tube over there, which is perfect size for that. Passenger step. Surface, but until I get my needle shooter on it, I won't know. The front outer or inner, whatever that bit's called. Nah, not bad. This side again, the same again with that supporting bar thing. Step got a hole by there, but no, not too bad. Yeah. It's just outer sills really. And I'll stop and I'll wobble. You can't even see it on there. Yeah, stop and a wobble of that. You can stop too. I think it's worth fixing. The welding part isn't that hard, is it? Well, for me, I enjoy welding. Not so much to rusty shit, but I do enjoy welding. And I enjoy making shapes, so I can make all that easy enough. The part I'm really not looking forward to is the respraying part. Because back when we done this, so it was originally silver, as you see under there. Then someone painted it all black with a roller. I didn't do that, my mother didn't do that. The previous person who owned it did that. So it was all black and it had some, I can't remember, it was on the back, stars or something like that, maybe on the back. Let's see if I can find a photo of what it used to look like. But that's going to be the hardest part to do, is the bodywork, because, oh, hello. My name is Jeff. She's going to have to be getting all this off to do it nicely, because I want it nice for her. So yeah, that's going to be the hardest part, is the bodywork. Because the metal work is not that bad. If I could find a new door, it'd be easy to get a new door because there's rust under the windows there. But yeah, like even that's quite solid. Even that is solid actually. Oh, I'm shit at this camera in. So I think it might be worth doing, especially because she loves it. But it's going to be an absolute fucking mission to get that back all off, like. Yeah, not looking forward to that, especially because I hate bodywork. But hey ho,